Who needs an antenna when you got an aftermarket radio like they did?
eBodyGloryHole.com. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MSCE323. This is a 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS. Beautiful dark cherry color, LT1 under the hood, will be sold as a swap. Motor, transmission, belt driven accessories, ECU, and harness. Previous owner had an issue here with the home plate. I guess that's a colder air intake. This would be the cold air, and that's the colder air. Mass airflow meters love getting air that they haven't accounted for. Anyways,
unmetered air is the best air.
Unmetered air works the best in motors. They really know what to do with that extra air. They run great. It's just a good thing to have. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up while we walk around. You know, GM starter stuff.
That's the first time I ever did that to me.
163,616 miles on it here. Go ahead and test some parts. Somebody went shopping for their radio and broke one of the most expensive pieces in this interior. Yep. That's kind of lovely.
Yep.
Let's see how the windows do. Oh, the rears don't work.
Nope.
And the master switch is broken. Right front. Oh yeah.
Crap.
Oh yeah.
Crap.
Oh yeah. Look at that. You're not supposed to be able to do a 360 with your window switch.
Well, I'll be changing that description.
This one works good.
To deleted.
All right, nice center console in this thing. Front seats will be for repair and recovery only. Door panels are in good shape with a little bit of wear on them. There's that LT1 under the hood. Go ahead and engage the transmission really fast. I promise not to run Andy over. You're fine, man. Reverse, drive. The old 4L60E delay. Just takes a little second to figure out what it's trying to do today. Okay. Tight tilt column there. Yeah, a little bit of play in it. Might need tightened. We got a good glove box. A very nice center console. Complete there. Driver's door panels. Had a modification or two along the way, but if you're missing one, you know how hard these are to find. Very nice set of OEM wheels on this car. There's the rear door panel. Little confused as to why it has wood though. I didn't think the SS's came with wood.
I didn't think they did either.
So,
Someone wanted
yeah,
to be fancy.
some point in this car's life, it probably got some replacement parts. Nice wheel arch back there. Horrible aftermarket taillights. Not going to be selling those. Nice OEM rear bumper though.
Nice quarter windows too.
Nice quarter windows. Look at that OEM wheel set.
This door did not get listed.
Yeah, this thing's waving at me. This whole car waves at you. Definitely an old respray. Oh yeah, you can feel the... Well, they didn't even put the antenna back.
Who needs an antenna when you got an aftermarket radio like they did?
eBodyGloryHole.com. A lot of good parts though, guys. These things are awesome. 10-bolt rear end with disc brakes in the rear, specific to the SS.
308 gear.
What?
308 gear.
308, baby. Some nice breakaway door mirrors. I don't know. I love these cars. I drive one. I just can't afford them because for some reason everybody thinks they're worth like $25,000.
Because they are.
Because they are, yeah. Whatever. Headlight switch is in nice condition though. That's always broken on these. This one is not. Good from afar. Still good. I don't know. It's a car. Struggling on this one, guys. Normally they're not this rough, but this one just, it got by us. The one behind us, much better shape. It's Peabody Day around here. That is going to wrap it up for MSCE323, our Chevrolet Impala SS LT1 swap. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jandjautowrecking.com. Or you guys can always give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.